Okay, so for anyone wondering how this Plastidip, how do you get it to come around like that where you don't have any lines or overlap or anything? Basically, you make a little square around where you're gonna paint everything in there, the handle and that. This has probably around 6-7 layers of dip on it, and basically you just start peeling it off, and you can see it just follows the contour of the body. Just keep pulling it off like that, and it just comes off. See that? Okay, same thing with this side. Let me just switch hands real quick. Sorry, I'm just working by myself here, and no women, no phone holder or anything, but it literally just follows the line. See that? All the way across, all the way down. And that's what you're left with. And your handle looks like that. So that's kind of the same way that I've done the front grille, the lip as well. Also, here's the side that I just finished as well, and the badge and the trunk lid. So basically everything is done the same way. This piece here should also just peel off. I just haven't gotten to it yet. I'm literally just doing that right now. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. But this is basically pretty simple thing to do. But yeah, it took about maybe 20 minutes.